Today we will do the revision. Okay. Revision of chapter 7, which you are going to give the test on Monday. Monday को है ना आपका टेस्ट?
Yes.
मैथ्स का?
Yes, sir. सर टेस्ट के हमारे से इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस बता दें।
हाँ, एक जैसे वाला तो सिरवतन में बिल्कुल वो भी करना साइन या पत्ता हो या पत्ता हो या पत्ता. Okay, this is it's 3 April and we are going to revise chapter 7, direct and inverse proportion. This is in book 2. So this is the worksheet I have sent you before Eid, I think. So the first question is choose the correct answer from the given options. So read out this question. Who is going to read?
Can I?
Yes.
Question 1. Choose the correct answer from the given options. A. The graph of direct proportion is curve, a straight line through origin, or circle.
Yes. Who is going to give the answer of this? These are 3 options. 1, 2, and the third. Yes. Daud, Wahid, Mr. Taha, Bilal, Shazan, Subhan. Who is going to give the answer of first question? Graph of direct proportion. जो डायरेक्ट प्रोपोर्शन की जो दो क्वांटिटीज होती हैं उनका जो ग्राफ होता है वो किस तरह का होता है? अगर वो x और y हैं, if y is directly proportional to x, तो अब उनका जब ग्राफ बनाएंगे तो ग्राफ क्या वो एक कर्व होगा? क्या वो एक कर्व होगा या वो एक स्ट्रेट लाइन होगी जो ओरिजिन से पास हो रही है या फिर वो एक सर्कल होगा?
फिर मैं बताऊं?
यस जी.
Straight line through the origin.
Straight line through the origin. This will be the answer. So you can circle it. Straight line through the origin. This is the answer. Yes, Daud, unmute yourself and read the second multiple choice question. Taha, is it Taha Rajput? Unmute
Yes.
yourself. Bilal,
Yes, sir.
Bilal ये पढ़े second question.
Okay, sir. If y is directly proportional to x, then the correct equation is
Yes, which one will be the correct equation if y is directly proportional to x?
Third
जी
one
बिलाल
is
बता,
correct, I think.
1, 2 और
Third.
3?
Sir, two.
थर्ड वन
Second.
जी।
Second.
अच्छा, सेकंड ये है, और थर्ड जो है वो y इज इक्वल टू के ओवर एक्स है जी। मुनीब इज सेइंग सेकंड वन, एवरीवन इज एग्रीड? यस, दिस इज द करेक्ट आंसर। y इज इक्वल टू के एक्स डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल में जो कांस्टेंट होता है वो मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा होता है डायरेक्टली सेकंड क्वांटिटी से, विच इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल, दैट इज यहाँ पर x से, जैसे कि। अच्छा जी, इसके बाद शाहजैन बताएंगे। शाहजैन, ये थर्ड वाली पढ़े और उसका आंसर बताएं। शाहजैन, unmute yourself and read out the third MCQ.
Can I read, sir? Can I
Subhan,
read?
Subhan, unmute yourself. अब्दुल सुभान, मैं नाम पूरा लिखा गया है, नाम सिर्फ सुभान। अब्दुल सुभान is there? Okay, Bilal, we don't have much time to complete this worksheet.
If y is inversely proportional to x, then the correct equation.
Yes.
Second one. Second one.
Second, इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल में जो रिलेशन होता है वो क्या हो जाता है, वो फ्रैक्शन में आ जाता है। ठीक है, y इज इक्वल टू के ओवर एक्स। तो इसका आंसर क्या हो गया? The
Y
third
is
one
equal
is
to
the
k over
answer.
x. Third
Y is
one.
equal to k over x. Okay, we are taking the other questions. Yeah, question 2 is, I think, it mistakenly added in this worksheet. That is the question from other chapter. Now we have third question. If P is directly proportional to Q and P is equal to 24 when Q is equal to 6. So find the equation connecting P and Q. So how we will solve it? First, we write the variables like in it, because this is directly proportional, so we write P is equal to KQ, and then the given pair of values will be used to find the value of K. We write 24 is equal to K multiplied by 6. So 6 is multiplied on the right hand side, it will be divided on left hand side. So 6 1 is 6 and 6 4s are 24. So we have the value of K is equal to, okay, mute yourself, Huzafuddin. Now we will use this K value and this equation 1 to form the answer of part A. So answer will be P is equal to 4 times Q. So this is the equation connecting P and Q. This is the answer of A. Now we are going to find the answer of P. B, part B. We have to find P when Q is equal to 10. So we write it in the equation 2. So P is unknown and 4 is there, and multiplied by Q, Q is 10. So the answer is 40 for P. We are writing the third part. We have to find Q when P is given, that is 60. So again we use the equation 2 implies P is already given. So we write the value of P there is equal to K. We know K is 4 and Q is to be calculated. So again 4 will go on the left hand side. It will be divided It will divide 60. 60. It will go and divide. So 4 1 is 4 and 4 15s are 60. So the value for Q is 15. So we have done the third part answer. So these are the three parts. Anybody has any question about this question, or we move to the next question? Yes.
Move to
If you have no any question, okay. Because time is short, I want to complete this worksheet or maximum questions. Now this is a table and we have to complete it. So you can see the relation. The relation in this table is you can do it directly by finding the relation between x and y here. So look here. So you can see that the pair of values which have been given for x and y is 5 and 20 here. So what the relation here in 5 and 20? 5 multiplied by
4.
4 is equal to 20. It means that all values will be multiplied with 4, so we get the answer. Or otherwise, we can make the equation y is directly proportional to x, y is equal to kx. We put the value of y is equal to 20 and k, x equal to 5 here. So find the value of k, 20 divided by 5. So 5 1 is 5, 5 4 is 20. So we got the value k here, 4. So we put the x2 in this equation, put x2 and 4 for k. So we got 8 here. The answer is 8. Likewise, when we put 3 in place of x, so we multiply it with 4. So we will get 12. So the second answer is 12. And the fourth answer is already given. 8 and 32. Yes, this was the question and it already has given. Answer is given, okay. So this was the, or this one, maybe the y. Okay, is it clear all of you? Nobody is
Yes.
completely responding other than Muni, Bilal only. 2% are live here and others are not responding. Now the next question is, if z square is directly proportional to x cube and z equal to 16 and x equal to 4, find the value of z then x equal to 2. So how we can do this question? Yes, who will guide me? Yes, anybody can guide me what I write here first?
Can I tell?
Yes. Yes, Bilal. Yes, Daud. Aha, Rajput.
Sir,
Yasin.
equation
We first we write the equation. What equation we will write? Z square is directly
z equals
proportional
to
to Z square equals to
k x cube.
K times X cube. Good, because this is directly proportional, so it will be K times X cube. Now, what we will do, we will put the values of Z and X which are given 16 and 4. So we write 16 square and k x is equal to 4 cube. Okay, now we don't need to multiply 16 by 16. We just keep the uh, move or send 4 to the left hand side. It will be 3 fours in divide. So 4 1 is 4 and 4 fours are 16. 4 1 is 4. and 4 4s are 16. The third 4 is divided by 4. So the value of k here, we got 4. Okay, now what we will do, yes, who is going to tell me? Yes, Zephyr, अब क्या करेंगे? सुभान, वाहिद,
सर के की वैल्यू को एक्स की वैल्यू के साथ करेंगे।
गुड, क्या
सर अब
करेंगे? के ये बताएं. Now we put x equal to 2 and
v
we have to find
equals
z
to
equal to unknown and k equal to 4 in
और
equation 1. So z square is unknown. So k is equal to 4 and x is equal to 2 here and x has the power 3. So 4 multiply, yes, 2 power 3. What is the number 2 power 3? When 2 has the power 3, what does it mean? Is it 2 3s are 6 or is it 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 2 is equal to 8? Yes, who will correct me? Which one is correct? 2 power 3 is 6 or 8?
first
Yeah,
8
Munib,
8 8 8
8. Good.
first one is
So
correct.
2 power 3 is 8.
This one is
So,
correct.
okay, 8 fours are 32. So z square is equal to 32. And if we have to find z, so what do? We will square root, apply square root on both sides. So z is equal to square root 32. So this square root is not possible with cal without calculator. So we will leave the answer here. Yes. Did you understand this question? Now we move to the another question of inversely proportional. Okay, this is similar, but here we have to draw the graph. Everybody is clear about the graph? I just tell you the how we draw the graph here, okay? Look here. So how we draw the graph here? They just the question is that y is directly proportional to x square. This will come on y-axis. Sorry. As we draw the graphical axis, so when we move from left to right, we we have y-axis here and we have x-axis here. Okay, so y will go on y-axis and this x square will go on x-axis. So first we have y-axis part, so we have to draw the graph of y against x square. So first we write y here and x square is on the x-axis. Now what we will do, we have one point must be 0 here. When we have the equation, what will be the equation here? Y is equal to, because this is direct proportion, to kx square. Okay, when we find the values like this, when we find the value of k, so we put the value 0, we will get the 1 point must be 0 because this is the question of directly proportional. For the second value, what we will do, second value, we can take x equal to 3 and y equal to 45. So x, because x is square, so we will make it square. 3 square is equal to 9. So x square is equal to 9 will be anywhere here in the x-axis, x square axis, and y is 45. So we write 45 here. Now the point will be, this one will be the point 9 and 45. So we draw the line like this. This will be the graph for this question. Okay. For inversely proportional, Yes, I erase it because it will not move with the question. For inversive question, what we'll do, I just okay. These question are related with inversive question. So for this question, look here. I tell you in short, we have time is going to over, but we can take 5 minutes more. In this question, what I have copied here, for example, question number 8, okay? How can we do this question of inversely proportional? I don't know but whether it's a directly proportional or inversely proportional. First, if we have real situation of quantities have been given, so what we will do, we will make two columns. Okay, now workers are given, and the second quantity is days. Days are given. So 16 workers can do a job in 8 days. So what the question is,
There will be six workers.
how many days will it take for 12 workers? So first we have to decide whether it's are directly
There will be six
proportional.
workers.
Yes.
It is six workers.
Okay, I don't ask the answer. I am asking whether it is a
Here I am telling you there are not 16 workers. There are six workers in the
thank you,
question.
thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. 6 workers. So first we have to decide whether this is a directly proportional question or an inversely proportional question. Okay. So if we increase the number of workers, the time to complete the job will decrease or increase.
Decrease.
डिक्रीज अगर हम लोगों की तादाद बढ़ाते हैं वर्कर्स की तो टाइम हमारा अगर हम इसको बढ़ाते हैं इंक्रीज कर रहे हैं तो टाइम डिक्रीज हो रहा है इट मीन्स के इट इज इनवर्सली proportional. Okay, so for inversely proportional we do parallel multiplication. So what we will do, x times 12 is equal to 6 times 8 and x will equal to 6 multiply 8 divided by 12. 12 will go on the right hand side, it will be in the denominator. Now we cancel it. 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8, 3 1 is 3, 3 2s are 6. So x equal to 2 2s are 4. It means that it 12 workers can do this job in 4 days. तो जैसे ही हमने तादाद उनकी डबल की तो दिन भी क्या हो गए हाफ हो गए ठीक है these three questions are like this. For question 11 you do it yourself. First you make the equation m is inversely proportional to n. So what equation we will make? Is it m is equal to kn or m is equal to k over n? Yes, who will correct me? कौन सी होनी चाहिए इसमें?
M equals to K upon N.
Yes, this will be for
Second one
directly
is right.
proportion. Second one is right, and you will find first you will find the k, then you will find the question which has been asked m when n equal to 5. Okay, यहाँ पे हम लोग क्लास एंड करते हैं और I hope you all have understood this. So the remaining question you try to solve yourself, and inshallah we will meet on Monday when you will be prepared for test inshallah. Okay, assalamu alaikum.